Hello everyone, in this video we are going to practice for Sproochentest and we are going to describe a picture. The picture we are going to describe is this one. It's about a flea market and there are, as you see, like there are various articles that are being sold here. You need to know vocabulary for all these articles to properly describe this picture. So let's go ahead and learn about the vocabulary that we will be using. So the first thing is flow mart, that refers to flea market. Wuren is merchandise or goods. Bank is bench. Ausstellen, Augestalt is to show, to put on display. Bustavian is letter or character. Opening, Tasselen is to stable on top of each other, to stack on top of each other. Then Spielschach or Spielzee is toy. Pop is doll. Figure is character. Plastikskast is plastic box. Deckel is cover or lid. Wunhanen from the back. Nien is knee or knees. Kutsch is stroller or pram for toddlers, for babies. Kurf is basket. Kleidungsstück is piece of clothing. Epis on grabhun. Epis means something and grabhun is like holding. So to be holding something or clutching something is a phrase. Turnslappen is sneaker or sports shoes. Suel is sole of a shoe. Ivardak is canopy or tent. Mark refers to brand of a company. Reluden is the door of a shop, roller shutter, storefront. Now let's go ahead and frame the paragraph. So we can easily frame multiple paragraphs for this picture. Like we can first talk about what's there in the back bench, what is there in the front bench, what is there lying on the ground. Then we can describe the clothing of these people that are walking here. We can also talk about the background, what is there in the background, the businesses, the buildings. So let's go ahead and describe this picture. So the phrase we always use to start describing a picture is "Auf der Foto geschehen es a Flohmarkt." In the photo, I see a flea market. Echki gebraucht wurden ob Engelstrasse verkauft. They are like used goods are being sold on the street. I like komme lands für sie gucken, what it se Kaffee geht. And people are coming by to see what's there to buy. Zum Beispiel gesehen es längs a Ruden Dash an eng Bank. For example, I see a red table here and a bench on the left. Das sind allerhand Sachen ausgestellt. On the table there are all kinds of things on display. Für sie verkaufen, for sale. Ich sehe Kleider. I see clothes, so there are clothes on this table. Längs das sind T-Shirten oder Pulloveren. On the left side there are T-shirts and sweaters. So second paragraph, we can continue talking about what's there on this table. It's the weiß T-Shirten. There are white T-shirts. Rot T-Shirten an egg grün T-Shirt mit Buchstaben drop. So there's white T-shirt, red T-shirt, and gray T-shirt with something written over them. Es geschehen Buchstaben C, A, B. I can see the letters C and B. Mehr jetzt das sind Jeansboxen, Openi getesselt. So it means, so on this table there are jeans stacked on top of each other. Opening gestellt means like stacked on top of each other. Es geschehen auch Kinderkleider. I can also see kids' clothing or children's clothes. Then es geschehen auch Spielsachen oder Spielzee. I can also see toys or playthings. Zum Beispiel Pop, wo versieren deren Figuren. For example, dolls of various animals and figures. Es erkennen ich Pop von Bart Simpson. I recognize a Bart Simpson doll like this one. Ob der Bank lehnen auch schon Bücher an CD Mengenisch. So I think there are also shoes, like there are a lot of shoes here, books and CDs on the bench. And in the next paragraph, let's talk about what's there lying on the floor. Boden während der Bank sie Plastikkästen. On the floor in front of these benches are plastic boxes. An denen ich mai Bücher gesehen, in which I see more books. So there are a lot of books here. Deckel von den Büchern sie farbig. The cover of these books are colorful. Wahrscheinlich sind es keine Bücher. Probably they are children books. Hundred them des sets freien. Women sit behind the table, like behind this table there are women who are sitting. Wahrscheinlich sind sie es, die des Sack verkaufen. So they are the probably ones who are selling things. Next paragraph, we are going to describe these people who are here. On the Metvum Bill Geshen S. Engfra, in the middle of the picture, I see a lady. They shak the viewer, they were kaft gin cooked. The woman is looking at goods that are being sold. It geseit infra nemen von Hannen. One can only see women from behind. Dafür wie es nicht genau. What the Amgang as Shes who's cooking. What she's going to look at, I cannot see. Frau with a rose rak, and the lady is wearing a red dress, an enkling grey posh, and a small grey posh in sheller on her shoulders. The rak geht here bis by knien, and the dress goes to her knees. Frau with Schwarzhohe, the woman has black hair. Sie with Sandalen and she is wearing sandal. Nif der Frau gesehen ist klingt Mission. Near the lady, I see a small kid that a rosen t-shirt who is wearing a pink t-shirt and in orange coach box and hood, and she is wearing an orange short. Es mengen Mesche guckt etwas mat der Frau. I think the girl is watching something with the woman. Wahrscheinlich as Frau saying mom. Probably the woman is her mother. The next paragraph. Hanat dem Mission and the Frau is an gro kenner kust. So behind the lady and the girl, there is a baby cradle. On their kust as a klenked kant, and in this baby cradle there is a small kid. Is gesehen dem kann sein arm. I can see the arm of the baby. In der kust as a kroof. Under the carriage is a basket. Kroof gesehen is epis orange. In the basket I see something orange. Wahrscheinlich a Kludenstick. Probably a piece of clothing, an och ang pop, and also a doll. Donaved gesehen is a man mat brongen hoa an ingem sonbrille. So next to it, I see a man with brown hair and sunglasses. The man who had a swatze rucksack on grab, and the man is holding a black backpack. He who had a route swats a vice carried him and the man is wearing black and white checkered shirt, red, black, and white checkered shirt. Inner them him who had on a Weizen t-shirt on, and inside that he's wearing a white t-shirt. He and who had ok in Swart's Kurz box. He's also wearing black shorts, a Swart's Turnstappel, mat weißes Swillen, and he's wearing sports shoes with white soles, black sports shoes. Now, let's talk about what's there in the background of this picture. Honogron Gishin is a Weizen Iverdak mat Ingam orange symbol. So in the background, I see an orange tent with orange symbol. Symbol von Enger mark, and the symbol has a mark on it, STEHL. Inat dem Iverdak lei nach wieder Sachen. Under the roof, there are still other things that are for sale. These verkauft sind, they are for sale. Hanagron gesehen ist auch nach Gabaya. In the background, I can also see buildings. That sie wahrscheinlich Gesafter, that are probably businesses. Gesafter sind so well relieved sind erof. The shops are closed because the shutters are down. Okay, ich mangen ich hu genug beschreiben. This phrase you can always use. Okay, I think I have described enough. So yeah, this is how you construct different sentences talking about what is there in the picture. And if you want more materials for preparing for Sproochentest, contact us on lux.sproochentest@gmail.com, and we will give you more details about the information. And please refer to Aludi.lu to learn proper pronunciation. For example, if you have to pronounce Reluden, you can just go here and search for the word Reluden. So this will help you with your pronunciation. Thank you, and we will be back with another lesson.